Hello and welcome back to this course. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the do-while loop. Do-while loop is similar to the while loop. The only difference is that it checks for the condition after executing the statement. A do-while loop is written by using the do and while keyword. This means that this loop is going to execute at least one time, and then it checks the condition whether it is true or false. Now look at its syntax. First of all, we have to type the do keyword. Do this block of statements while this condition is true. Now this loop is going to execute at least one time. First it executes all the statements within this block and then check the condition. If that condition is true, then it is again going to execute all these statements. But if the condition is false, then it does not come back to the body, it breaks the loop and go outside of this loop. So in this way do while loop works. Now look at this example. I have created an integer variable a and I initialize it with 1. Then I have started the do while loop. Do these statements while the condition is true. And within the body of the loop I type system.out.println Java is everywhere. So it prints Java is everywhere on the screen and then increment in a with 1. Now the value of a is 2. So after that it comes to the while and check 2 is less than equal to 10. Yes, 2 is less than equal to 10. So it is going to execute all these statements again. Now when this statement executed, the value of a becomes 3. Now 3 is also less than equal to 10. So it is going to again execute this block of code. So in this way do while loop works. Now problem, write a program to create a simple login system. We know that in login system we have to run our code at least one time. So let's create this simple program on our NetBeans. So here first of all I am going to create a variable int I equals to 1 to start my loop and do all these statements while I is less than equals to 3. I want to give 3 attempts to user to enter correct username and password. And if the username and password is correct, then it is going to break the loop. So within the body of the for loop, I type here system dot out dot println enter username and scanner s1 equals to new scanner and system dot in and string username equals to s1 dot next s1 dot next, and I'm going to copy this code and paste it once again for the password. I type here enter password and change it to s2 and also change it with password. Now I have taken the input from the user, the username and password. So here I am going to validate my username and password. So I type here if username dot contains Java and password dot contains programming, system dot out dot println you have been logged in, and break this loop using the break statement. And if username and password does not match, then print system dot out dot println please enter correct user password. So now if I run this program, you will see a message enter username. I type here Java and I type password programming, and you see a message you have been logged in. Means the username and the password is matched and it comes inside the body of the if and print you have been logged in and break this loop and come out of this loop. Now if I again run this program and type here Java and type the wrong password like Java, then please enter correct username and password, and it show enter username. I again type here Java and Java, it again prints please enter correct username and password. So I again type here Java and Java, please enter correct username and password. I again type here Java and Java, it prints please enter correct username and password. Why this is happening? Because we does not have increment this I with 1. If we not increment this I with 1, then this loop is going to run for infinite times if we enter wrong username and password. So I increment this variable with 1, I plus plus. So now if I run this program and enter wrong username and password Java and Java, please enter correct username and password. I again type here Java and Java, again Java and Java, and you see this program runs 3 times, and I have typed the wrong username and password for 3 times, and it prints message please enter correct username and password and exit this program. So in this way you can use the do while loop. Now keep in your mind that do while loop executes its block at least 1 time. So I hope you understand the logic of the do while loop and easily understand how this program works. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.